Good morning, everyone. Today we have discussing about the another topic for the subject CBM 365 robotics in medicine. That is basic components and terminology of a control system. So after completion of this presentation, you must understand what all terminologies and components are used in certain what control system. So, what is a control system? A control system is used to change or control the behavior of a device, machine, or process. The process may be an air conditioning system, a chemical process, an iron, a robot, something like that. So, this is the basic figure of a control system. See, we have an input response. Upon that, we have to summate by using a controller. For a controller, we have error signals. So, that summation symbols is compare the input reference with the feedback signal, and we have error signal and control. Control means what? Controller, how much we have to correct the signal. Next is plant. It may be a motor, robot arm like that, and say we have sensors converting a one form of a signal into another form. We have to use certain type of sensor, and we have feedback signals and output. So that is the basic components used in a what control system. So we have input reference. This is what we want. Example is what? Desired room temperature or desired position of a robotic arm. That may be an input response. Next is sensor. Sensor measured what is actually happening. Example, thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature. Encoder. It is used to measure the robotic positioning. Next is what? Feedback signal. The sensor sends the measured value back to feedback signal. Next is error. Error means what? That is the desired value minus our actual value. Next is what? Controller. That is the brain of the system. It look at the error and decide what action to take. Next is what? Plant. The system that does the work. That may be a heater, a motor, a robot arm, etc. So, a control system measures what is happening, compares it with what we want, and correct the action until they match. So, these are the certain definitions of what already we have discussed about certain components used in a what control system. So we have open loop controllers, closed loop controllers in our system. So I hope all of you understood about what are the certain components and what are the functions of certain components of a control system. That's all. Thank you.